Hey YouTube, it's Nijay Fitness here again. Have you been feeling a little down lately? Are you stuck somehow and you want to feel like a bird set free, but don't know how to set the tone? Well, if you're watching this video now, stop for a second and check if you have a stairway right where you are, or you have one at home. Then wait till you get home. And if you don't have no stairs at home, well, maybe get like an elevated board or a piece of wood or a plank, and let's get down with me on this workout. But wait first, before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button as we're about to have the best few minutes of our day yet.